Apat na bayan sa lalawigan ng Maguindanao del Norte ang pinaghahandaan ng COMELEC Provincial Election Office ng contingent personnel mula sa Philippine National Police sakaling walang guro na magsisilbing Board of Election Inspectors sa darating na halalan. Ito ang sinabi ni Maguindanao del Norte Acting Provincial Election Supervisor Attorney Nabil Mutya sa panayam ng iMinds Philippines Exclusive.
So as of now, we have identified around 4 towns, no? And yun naman is contingent lang. In case lang na hindi mag-serve or magkaroon ng problema yung ating mga teachers, we cannot force them naman to do their electoral duties, no? Kung talagang may reason sila. So that is why naghanda tayo for the 4 towns ng PNP personnel just in case na mag-back out nga yung mga teachers natin.